Most people will never become wealthy, not because they can't, but because of a few silent decisions they make every day. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you're on that path, roller or the wealth path. In this video, you'll learn why most people never build wealth, the habits that keep them stuck, the investing path that changes everything, and how to make sure you're not in the majority. This video might be uncomfortable, but it might also change your future. The average person that doesn't invest, keeps money in savings, spends first, saves last, waits for later, fears market drops. None of these feel like mistakes, but combined, they quietly guarantee average financial outcomes. Studies show over 60% of adults have no investments. Most people retire with under $200,000. Many rely entirely on Social Security. That's not opinion, that's math. And it's the result of not investing early and consistently. There is one habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else. They invest, not occasionally, not when convenient, consistently, for decades. This is the real wealth gap, not income, not intelligence, just long-term investing behavior. Two people, same income. Person A saves $300 per month in a bank. After 30 years, approximately $125,000. Person B invests $300 per month in ETFs. After 30 years, approximately $425,000 plus same effort. Different habit, different life. Because, go psyched, they think investing is complicated. They wait for more money. They fear short-term drops. They never learn the simple system. It's not lack of ability. It's lack of starting. Here's the good news. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of the average person. You're learning. You're paying attention. You're preparing to act. Wealth is not reserved for a special group. It's reserved for those who follow the long-term investing path. Most people will never become wealthy, but you don't have to be one of them. Start small. Invest consistently. Use simple ETFs. Stay long-term, do that, and you quietly separate yourself from the majority. If this video gave you clarity, subscribe to Jarrett Invests. Every video here is designed to make investing simple, realistic, and achievable. The average path leads to average results. The investing path leads somewhere else entirely. Choose wisely.